Hello scientists, I will show you where you can find free 3D models on the internet. I just came back from Brussels after giving a workshop and it was really fun, great participants. I can see how much you guys need these free resources for your research publications because academics don't have a lot of budget. So I'm making these videos to help you guys. I also want to thank my patrons for supporting me to make these content. You can support me by giving me a like and subscribe to the channel. This is the website where you can find free 3D illustration, NIH3D. So it is an open community-driven portal to download. There are over 13,000 models. You can find the categories of the models down here in the collections. I will use the 3D pollen library as an example in this video. Let's go to the 3D pollen library highlights. I'll download the chocolate flower pollen and show you how to import them into a 3D software. So click on the pollen. Before downloading, I'll show you how to preview your model. Now we're in a 2D mode, we cannot move it. But if you switch to a 3D mode, you can look at every angle of the pollen. Now let's go to the download page. I download the STL file because I'm going to import it into Blender. Once the download is ready, you will find it in your download location. You need a 3D modeling software to open the file. I use Blender, which is an open source software. It is free. Let me go to File, Import, STL. Let's look for the download location and import STL file. Now the import is done, we don't see anything because sometimes the model is out of your viewport. Once you zoom out, you can find them somewhere. You can apply the type of material you like onto your pollen. And that is the free 3Ds you can find on the internet. If you have more questions, you can leave them in the comments or reach out to me to book a consultation. I'll be making more videos on this channel and I'll see you in the next video.